Greetings MOTC participants. This is R.C. Callahan, one of the facilitators for the MOTC program. In this tutorial, I'll quickly be showing you how to create a Google form and then how to place it in a Canvas course. So to begin with, I have both Canvas open, I have logged into Canvas and I have it open to the class that I want to place the form in. And I also have Google Drive open. And I have navigated to the folder in which I want to place the Google Form documents. Now when you create a Google Form in Google Drive, it creates two documents. One that's the actual form, and then it will also create a second document that collects all the responses, and it will be in the style or format of a spreadsheet. So I've already began the process by clicking Create and then selecting Form. And I have a preset form that's set up here. At the top, I've just titled the document Star Wars Trivia, and I've created one question here that's a multiple choice question: where was Princess Leia from? With 4 different distractors. At the top is where you really want to pay attention to the form settings. The default, I believe, is to check Require Login for this form. I've found that it's important to keep this unchecked so that students have a really quick way to access your form through your class, and they don't have to do additional login procedures in order to access your form. Once you have your form filled out and all your questions set, I'm just going to click Done there. Then you can click Send Form in the upper right hand corner, and there is a little button that says Embed. If you click that Embed button, there will be some code that you can copy by pressing Control-C. This code is important because when you go back to your Canvas course, you can take this code and place it directly on a page. So I'm back in my Canvas course. I'm creating a page by clicking Pages over in the left-hand course navigation menu, and then View All Pages. And I'm going to hit Add Page over in the upper right hand corner of the screen. I'm going to call this Star Wars Trivia. And then I'm going to click the little button that says HTML Editor on the page. This allows me to place some code into the page. I'm going to click back to Visual Editor, and you'll notice that there is now a manila box on the screen. If I click Save, what happens is that form from Google now is directly embedded into my Canvas course. So when students navigate to this page, they can answer these questions, hit Submit, and when they answer the questions, they will directly be sent back over to Google Drive into a file that's called Star Wars Trivia Responses. And here is an example of the responses document for the Star Wars Trivia. I had selected Hoth, it says the timestamp. And depending on what kind of settings you have in your Google form, you can receive different kinds of feedback. Again, I would recommend, if you want to get the names of the individual or their Wildcat username, for example, just add questions to your form, then ask them to enter those. Okay, thanks.